Okay, it is started. So last class we had discussed, right? So how to create Jenkins user, how to create users in Jenkins server, and how many ways we can add credentials in Jenkins server. So that and all we see, right? And what we discussed last class, user creation, services.msc. Let me connect my Jenkins server. Mm, Jenkins start. Okay, anyway, it is started. Can you see my screen? Hello.
Yeah, visible.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So last class already we discussed, right? So how to create users in Jenkins server, and how to remove users in Jenkins server, and how many ways right, we can add credentials. So as of now already we seen, right, how to use with the help of username, password, how to add credentials and all. So these are the some of the common things. And real time, right, if you are admin, if you have full access, so these options will be you can work with, otherwise it won't work these options. Okay, but anyway, this is our local mission, and whatever you want, so we can do it. Whatever you want, we can do it. So now users, credential, now credential providers. Suppose some of credentials I don't want to display users. Some of credentials I don't want. If you see here, there is exclude selected, only selected, and if you see here types, what type of. Now as of now, I can see this all right. Now if you see here, only go back. Here also we can see, so credential providers, configure the credential providers and types. What type of credential you want to add. If you come to here, so there is include and exclude options is there. If you click on here, this is the username and what type of you want to allow. So generally this is very simple only. If you see here, if I click on global and if I click on add credential, here we can see, right, so list of that is a scope, so kind, right, how many ways we can add credential. Here we can see username with password, GitHub app, SS username, these are the credential types. So I don't want display these types, some of users, or I want to exclude by default some options. If you want to exclude or include, this is option. Go to manage Jenkins and go to credential providers, and here, right, I want to exclude, I don't want. So here, so this is the provider and username, or I don't want this one. Just exclude GitHub. I don't want. Just save it. Now see here. Now come to here credential section. Click on global credential and add credential. And if we select, still not applied, so we can exclude this one. Credential providers. So all types exclude. So GitHub excluded. Here I can select it. Here I am keeping all. So under the all, only selected all. So here also we can exclude. I don't want this. I don't want this. I don't want, right. I don't want this. This one. I want to display only these two options. Which one? Username with password and SH username with private key. Username with password as SH key, the username and all. So if you want to allow, exclude. So just select and remove this one. I don't want this one. Just exclude it. Apply. Save. Now see here. If you go to here credentials, global credentials, add credentials, and if you see here, we can see only two. So by default, it will display all kind. So username with password, SS username, SSH with username, secret file, certificate. So that types. But I don't want, I want to exclude some of the options, type of credentials. So that case, these options and all managed by only admin. In real time, if you are admin only, we can do this all activities. For example, that is based on your role, they are giving some access level. So that time only we can do this. Otherwise, if you are read permission, only write permission, we cannot modify all these options. Clear, guys? So these are the very simple only. If you want to, we can exclude, or if you want to, we can include some of the credential types. So click on here, and select this is exclude. Now I want to allow this option. Secret certification and all. I want to allow a secret. I don't want. I don't want exclude this. mm, Exclude, right? I want to exclude this and all. Okay, apply. Now see here three options it will display. That's it. So go to credential app, click on global, and so add credential. Now you can see three. So like this, if you want to include, if you want to exclude, and we can add go for this one. So these are the security related options, guys. See here, users, credentials, and credential provider. And the main thing is there is a security. So the main thing is there is a security. Now see here. So as of now, I am logged to user. Which user I logged in, guys? Anyone any doubt here? Users creation and credentials and credential providers include and exclude. If you want to provide what type of credentials, we can. These are the basics. Anyone any doubt here? This is very, very important. Security. Clear, guys, here? Yes or no? Users creations, removing user, adding users. Clear? And
Yes, yes.
credential
Clear.
part. And if you want to exclude, include. Now, so there is one more option. This is important. See here, secure Jenkins. Define who is allowed to access, use this system, use the system. So if we click on security, as of now, I log into administrator. Now observe here, I am the user. Administrator is the administrator. Full user, admin. I can do anything. Now if you go here, if you go to user, there is other users also available. See here, DevOps user available. Or if you want to create multiple users, and we can log into that particular user. Now see here, log out, and if I want to log in, we need to use that username, DevOps, and enter your password. Same related that password only. That's it. Now see here, now I can see all projects. I can do something, right? But real time, based on some role, based on your role, they are giving some access level. They are giving some access level. So same if you want to provide any access level, go to manage Jenkins, and so go to security tab, and if you see here, these are the basic authentication, guys. We can see here authentication, disable any remember me. I don't, if you want to don't want to remember username, password and all. Now see here security realm. So Jenkins own user database. As of now, I am using Jenkins own database. Now already user is created, user is available. So with the help of that username, I can able to log in my Jenkins server. Suppose I don't have user. Now see here I log out. Now this is admin user. I forgot my username password. But I want to create one user. I want to log in that dummy user. So do we have any option here how to sign up user? See here. Suppose I forgot my admin password. So I am able to log in. I want to log in my Jenkins server any other user. So here I want to enable sign up. Right, registration, sign up, login button and all. So that case, there is one option is there. So if you want to, we can enable. Now see here. So security, under security. Here see first option, allow anonymous user. Not here. See, allow users to sign up. Okay, apply. Save. Now see here, I logged out. Now see here, one option is there. Earlier, this option is not available. Now, if you want to, we can create a user here itself. Suppose you forget admin user, directly I can create one more user. Username. I am using so test. Okay, test user. Whatever you want, we can add it. Password, you can set it. create user. Now see here, I logged in which user? Admin user or my user? Now see,
Test table.
test
Test table.
user. So if you want to enable this option, we can create it. Now I'm logging to admin only. Now observe here, manage Jenkins. There is one more option is there. But real time, right? So based on mostly we are using some other options, and also here authorization. Logged in user can do anything. So login user can do anything. Login means so I logged into one user. That user can do anything, all operations. Now if we click on here, there is many options available. See here, anyone can do anything. Legacy mode, logged in user can do anything, and matrix based security and project based matrix authorization strategy and all. I want to provide some access levels based on user role. So if you want to provide any access based on user role, so we can use mostly this option. So real time mostly using we are going to use one plugin. So these are the same only, but anyway I'm going to explain top level. So this and all that is your wish. See here, if I select project based, now see here, anonymous user, authenticated user, what type of permissions you want to provide. See here, so if you want to create job creation, we can delete, create, and discover, read. We can give like this. This is a matrix based. So there is one more powerful plugin available. One more powerful plugin available if you want to provide security. So how it will work means simply I will give MS Paint. So this is a project, guys. Just assume. So this is a project or any project, ABC project or XYZ. This is my project, correct? Organization. So in this project, this is just assume this is a ORG organization. So this is the ORG on organization. This is the ORG, and here I have multiple projects. For example, ABC project, test project, DevOps project. Just assume these are the project names, guys. So these are the project names. Okay, these are the test project. These are the DevOps projects. Okay, these are the Salesforce, whatever it may be. Sales project. I have four projects. This is my organization. In this organization, we have four projects. For every project, multiple people working parallelly, right? Now got it. For example, this is the DevOps project. Just assume. So in DevOps project, test developer is there, tester also available. Next, manager also available, and team lead also available. There is multiple peoples working parallelly. Not only DevOps, any project. For example, ABC project. So in ABC project also there is multiple peoples working. This is ABC project. So there is a developers working, testers working, DevOps engineers as a DevOps engineers also working, and also manager, team lead. There is multiple peoples working parallelly. Now, the here if you come to here in real time, there is multiple peoples working parallelly. But how to handle these people without security? So now see here. So these are the people. Now just assume I have a four projects. So for four projects means here I created a multiple users. For example, manager one guy. Manager means we need to give some admin level, right? Just assume manager. Now assume I am the DevOps engineer, and so just assume he is the developer and he is the tester. Now based on now right now see here, this is the project, DevOps project. Now if you observe here, already this is my project, DevOps project. Under this DevOps project, I have four jobs. There is a test job is there, stage job, development. This is the dev job, whole SM. I have four jobs. Now I am in administrator. Now if I log into my DevOps user also, now see here, I logged into the admin means admin can do anything. He is the administrator. Administrator can do anything. Now I'm logging to DevOps user. Now see here, DevOps engineer. And so I can see all jobs, correct? Now I'm going to create one more project also. Just assume I'm going to create one more. This is the DevOps, right? Now I'm creating one more project, for example, sales project. This is a sales related development. I'm going to freestyle only. Save. I'm going to one more new item, sales. This is the test environment, test related job. I created one more job. Now go to dashboard and I'm creating one more job, sales, and a prod also I'm creating production. Now see here, now I have multiple jobs, correct? Now observe here. Now I am the administrator. Okay, as the administrator, we can able to see all jobs. We can able to create all projects. You can see. Now he is the sales. Now assume here. If we come to here sales, right? This is sales. He is the sales guy. And if I log into sales user, now it's now I can able to see all projects, all jobs. Now do we have any security as of now, guys? Any
No,
security here?
not till.
No. But if we come to real time, there is a multiple projects running, multiple jobs running, multiple resources working parallelly. But how to handle these people? How to provide security? Now observe here. Now this is my Jenkins server. This is the enterprise Jenkins server, and in this server only my all organization related all projects running here only. Now assume multiple people's working parallelly. Now let me create one more user also. So add user and DevOps is there, test user is there. I'm creating sales user also. Sales user, just assume. For your understanding purpose, I'm giving here in real time also same guys. There is multiple projects running, same mission. Sales. That's it. Password. Password not matched. Confirm password. What is this? Password did not match. I given same password. Let me change it. Uh, uh, Okay. Now I have four users. Now I am the administrator. If I log in administrator, so now I can able to see all projects, all jobs, everything I can see. Now if I log out, I'm log into DevOps also. DevOps. Now see here, DevOps user also can see all projects, all jobs. Correct? Now, do we have any security here? Actually, I am part of DevOps project. But why I need to display these projects, these jobs? Now clear, guys. For example, I log into sales user, log out, sales user. Okay. If I log into sales user, now observe here. So now I can able to see all projects, all jobs. Now you are the part of sales related project. We need to provide only access this project. Why I need to give this project access and all? Even if I provide Maybe you can knowingly, unknowingly, you can delete, you can run the job, we can do some modification, we can do something, right? Clear, guys?
Yes, yes.
So now how to handle these things in real time? Now even if you see here, here total 4 plus 3, 7 jobs available. Even if I log in any user, I can see all jobs, I can see all projects. Whatever you want, we can do it. But if I provide like this in real time means many people working parallelly, not only 10, 20, right? For example, 100 resource working. But how to handle these people? If you give access 100 people, these 5 projects, maybe they are doing something, right? Knowingly, unknowingly, they can delete the project or they can trigger the job, they can modify something. This is very difficult to handle in real time. To overcome this problem, so there is a one plugin, guys. There is one plugin, role-based authentication plugin. So there is one plugin is there. If you go to manage Jenkins, if you go to here, if you go to security, if you go to security, so as of now, see here. So these are the security own database, and also here login method. There is matrix based and project based. So we can give some security, write access, something. There is one powerful plugin available in Jenkins. Mostly we are using that one only. Role based authentication plugin. Now how to? So first we need to install whether it is installed or not. Check it. How to install plugin, guys? Go to dashboard, manage Jenkins, and go to plugin and see here role. Go to available plugins and so role based authorization strategy plugin. See here enables user authorization using a role based strategy. Role can be defined globally or for particular jobs or nodes selected regular expressions. Now if you observe here now these are the DevOps project. Manager. For manager, I want to give some access, read access, write access. So I need to give write, read, and like some other, for example, admin. I want to give admin access. For testers and all, I want to give only read access. For DevOps engineer, I want to give some more actions. Or admin access, I want to give. For developers, I want to give only read and write access. Okay. Now, what is the plugin, guys? Role based strategy plugin. What is this meaning? Based on user role, we want to provide some right access level. So for manager, I want to give full access. For team lead, I want to give some actions. For testers, I want to give some action. For DevOps engineer, I want to give some actions. For developers, I want to give some permission. If you want to provide, so based on user role. So based on user role, if you want to provide any permission, so this is the one of powerful plugin in Jenkins. So what is the plugin, guy? Role based authorization strategy plugin. As of now, clear? Anyone any doubt here?
Clear, clear.
So here now see here, I don't want to display, I don't want to show all projects also. I am part of DevOps. I want to display only DevOps related jobs and all. Very simple, right? So suppose you are part of Salesforce, sales. I am going to give access only this project jobs. For example, you are the ABC project. I am going to give only ABC project access. Now got it? If you want to give access like this, you should go for role based authorization strategy plugin. So if theoretically clear, let's move on to practically. Now anyone any doubt, guys, here?
Clear,
Got
clear.
it? Okay.
Yes.
Now, so I will give documents also. First time, this is very, very important. Just to follow same thing first time, else we can do some modifications. Whatever you want, we can do digging later. But initial, so we need to. So first we need to install the plugin, guys. So configure role based. how to add users in Jenkins. I hope everyone know, right? And install the role-based authorization strategy plugin. So now this plugin is not yet installed. Now how to install plugin, guys? So go to manage Jenkins dashboard, manage Jenkins, and also go to very very important in interview also many people asking how we are giving access, how we are maintaining your security for all jobs. Okay, go to first go to here manage Jenkins. Where is that? So go to here plugins and go to available role based authorization strategy. So is it is not installed. Now select the install it without install without restart. That's it. This is the first point. Now see here install the role based authorization strategy plugin. And so step one manage go to plugins available search and already everything we written here just follow. Now we need to enable that plugin. How to enable that plugin? Second step. How to enable that plugin? How to enable that plugin? So how to enable that plugin? How to enable that plugin? Okay. If you want to enable role-based strategy plugin, this is the steps. So go to configure global security authentication. Select your role-based. Now observe here. Now this is installed, right? Now come to here. Now how to enable, guys? So now if you go here dashboard and so go to manage Jenkins. Now you can observe here security credential providers users. We can see minimum option. So if I enable that option, here we can see one more option also manage. One more option also it will add here. Now see here only we can see system tools, plugins, nodes and clouds. Now if you see here security credential provider users. Okay, now system. Now see here, this is the static information troubleshooter. Now I'm going to enable that option. How to enable? Go to dashboard, go to manage Jenkins, and go to security. And so where you need to go? Here authorization. Here there is option. See earlier it is not available. Earlier it is not available. Earlier it is not available. Now it is available. Now see here role based strategy. If I select this one. Now see here, if I select enable that one, see here railway strategy plugin, apply, save. I enable that one. That's it. Now if you go to dashboard, go to manage Jenkins, and now you can see one more option enable here. What is that option? So manage and assign roles. Earlier we can't see this option. If you enable role based strategy plugin, so automatically it is adding this option also manage and assign roles. Manage and assign roles. Clear, guys? Anyone any doubt? So how to install plugin? Got it?
Clear, clear.
Okay. Now let's move on to one more step. Okay. Now go here. Now go to document. Now this is enable. Okay, that's it done. And now we can see. Now we can see one more option. Now we can see one more option and security. So manage and this one. Madhvi. Yeah. Now see here. Now so now how to configure this one? Role based authentication. Now I'm going to create. Now enable, right? Now already I enable that user. I enable that role based. Now I log out this option. I'm login to DevOps user or test user, whatever it may be. Now observe here. Test. Once you enable role based plugin, now see here we are unable to log in the user. Earlier I am able to log in this user. I can see all projects. I can see all jobs. Correct? Just now I enabled this option. Which option? This plugin. So what plugin? So that is the role-based strategy plugin I enabled. Once you enable, we can't log in other users. See here, at least if you want to log in this test user, we need to give at least read permission, overall or read permission. Now got it, guys? Now we can't log in any user. Even if you try a DevApps user also, we can't log in. DevApps. Now see here, we can't log in any user without admin. Now admin only I can log. See admin also missing overall permission. Oh, I need to enable that one. Nah? So I forgot that one. Mm, one seat. I enable. I need to select that one. I missed that. Log out. Now go to dashboard. We can't go anywhere. Instead of missed, go to administrator, log out, create user. I'm creating one user, guys. Mm-hmm. What we need to do? Actually, I enable, right? So before that, I need to give some permissions and all. I forgot that one. Log out. Mm-hmm. Let me restart. Think even restart also it won't work. Let me try it. Now what should I do? I think last batch I given some option, right? Jenkins. Now coming to here, localhost 8080. I'm not sure it won't work. Now try it. Whether I restarted, right? Whether I can able to log in admin or not. Hmm. Mhm, mhm. Everything is working. Okay. Okay. Indoor. Where is that? Let me uninstall and reinstall it. We can't do anything. Actually, we need to enable that one. Mm, uh, Password. Okay.
Markonda,
Mm-hmm.
just go to program data.
This I am also checking that one. On C colon
Yeah,
program data workspace. I think here
the,
only, right?
the file name is jenkins.xml.
Jenkins.
Yeah,
Jenkins
or
dot
otherwise config.xml. Config.xml. Check it.
user tools
If there is no
plugin
config, go for jenkins.xml. Any one file.
Jenkins.
Yeah, Jenkins config.xml.
Here
Within config.xml, use security. There you need to give
false.
false. Yeah,
First tab, right? I think starting assign admin
the beginning only.
mode security false.
Yeah, there. Yeah, false.
False. Yes. Restart.
Yeah, restart.
Jenkins top start. Now come to here. Now just refresh it. localhost 8080. It is restarted or not? Okay.
Start your system also.
System, okay.
Yeah.
Or else I will, means again everything it is disconnecting. You have modified S, which is saved or not? FAL, false, control S, close it, service.xml, Jenkins, just restart the Jenkins.
You saved your document, right, properly?
Saved and closed the document also.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, now try it or else I will do multiple different way. Mm, Localhost 90. Now anonymous, right? Anonymous
Yes.
user logged in. Okay, go to manage Jenkins. Where is this? So anonymous user. Now go to manage Jenkins. Go to security. To security. Logged in user can do anything. Okay, apply save. Wait, login admin. I think that is gone, right? Mm-mm.
Again, you need to recreate the admin user. Go to users, people. There are people above.
This is only users. Credentials. This is different. There is one more option. It will come somewhere. Where is that? Go to finger relationship. No. Mm. I think this you now we don't have full access. Manage Jenkins and all gone, right? New item is not there. We can't log in. Let me quickly reinstall it. I will show you later. Just, I forgot that option. Window control panel. Window or control panel.
No, no, before going to that, first remove in program data folder. The otherwise
I will
you may
remove.
get same problem.
Mm-mm. Jenkins uninstall. Yes. Yes. Okay.
Go
Yeah.
to C drive, remove program data folder also. C drive, Jenkins folder.
The jobs only it will come. Okay. Anyway, I'm going to remove that one also. C colon program data workspace Jenkins.
The program data is there.
Okay. Shift delete. Yes. Okay. Now have that file. There is download Jenkins. Already file is available. Let me run. It is deleted or not?
Yeah, that is deleted.
Deleted. Okay. Let me install. This is the 2.3. Okay. This is some old version. Or if you want to, we can download latest also. Both are same only. So local. Next. Test port number. That's it. Finish. Now window or service.msc. Now Jenkins already started, right? So come to here, localhost 8080. Okay. This is same steps only, just follow. Actually, I forgot to enable that option. Something. That's it.
Sir, Lakshmipat sir.
Hello. Yes.
Sir, while you are installing one step, I think that firewall activation you didn't did. Is there any problem in future for processing?
That is the
That is
process. That is password related. If you forget password,
Okay, okay,
so we can
okay,
enable, we can disable.
okay.
But right
So
now,
while installing,
I
yeah,
enable
yeah.
authentication, right? But there is, I
Um,
need to give some permission. Otherwise, we can't log in any user. I missed that one.
okay, okay. What you are doing that I got it. So
Mm,
while you are reinstalling the Jenkins,
mm,
so first they're asking the installation path C drive and they are taking that Java
That is,
JDK. Next
that is,
step, in next step there is one option drive symbol and firewalls.
that is no need to do anything. That are all
Okay.
basics only. That is not a problem.
Hmm.
Firewalls and all. So
Same if
yes,
you forget to activate that. What about is there any it will create any problem in processing or
no, that and all no need to do. Blindly install. That's it.
that is
Okay.
Windows based firewall, sir. That is not a problem
yes.
for us. But
Okay.
yeah, generally, for myself, I may give acceptance, but Markonda sir will
Hmm.
not give like that.
Hmm.
But
Hmm.
no
Hmm.
problem.
Hmm.
Even that is not allowing also. So by default, it is running Jenkins server. No problem.
Okay.
That is only services related Windows. But in
Okay.
mostly
Yes.
we are
Yes.
running Linux, right? So there it won't
Yes.
ask any related firewall and all. That firewalls and
Okay.
all actually taking care by admin people. Even your
Yes.
Jenkins server not running, so that
Okay.
case we need to check with admin team. Hey, I installed Jenkins server, but my server
Okay.
is unable to access. Please give that
Hmm.
port number allow and all. So they will allow. That is different
O-
story.
Okay. Okay. That is small. That's the
But is
reason.
mostly no need to do any that firewall allow and all. By default, it will
Hmm.
run Jenkins server.
Hmm.
Some
So when you're
case, if it is
launching,
not allow, that case we need to check it admin in
okay.
real time.
Okay.
They will allow port number that service.
Hmm.
They will add somewhere, and we can
Hmm.
able to allow.
So why did I ask me when watching the different videos,
Mm,
most of the people they're activating that firewall. So that is the reason. Is there any difference if we activated that?
maybe
If
which OS where they set up
maximum local host they're using
local
Windows
host.
only.
No, Windows. There is different flavors available, right?
Yes, yes. Yes.
Now
Okay,
we are
achha.
using 11, 10. This is the
Yeah,
latest,
yeah.
right?
Okay, okay.
But these all are only
Okay.
one time setup, even real time also.
Yes,
Once you set up Jenkins server, we never going to uninstall.
yes, yes,
But
yes.
there we won't get this type of errors. That is different. In real time, there is, we are maintaining enterprise Jenkins server, and we have
Mm,
full network security, everything we have,
mm,
right?
yes.
But anyway, here we can uninstall, we can reinstall it. But don't do in
Mm,
real time. There is multiple
real
jobs
time.
running, multiple projects running. Even if you
Yes, yes.
want to restart Jenkins server, we need approval. Your
Okay,
manager approval, your delivery manager approval. Why you need to restart? They are asking many
okay,
questions. But
okay,
mostly we
okay.
won't get any errors and all. But in case
Yes,
it is not running, anyway, we need to raise one ticket, and also we need to send email to all employees who are using Jenkins
okay,
server. So this particular
okay,
date and time, we are going to
Yes, yes.
restart Jenkins server. This is a downtime, 15 minutes or 10 minutes. Don't access
Okay.
anything. Okay. So like
Yes,
that,
yes.
we need
Same
to
with
send
bank.
email also.
It's bank people sending the messages. The
Same
transaction
thing,
will not.
same thing. Not
Yes,
only bank, any project.
yes.
So
Okay,
A1 Tomcat server, Jenkins server, Jira server, any server. So people
okay.
are working so 24 by 7, right? Just we
Yes,
are
yes.
giving intimation. Okay. So the one more thing. So if you want to restart anything, only that is half hours. Weekdays,
Yes, yes.
weekend only we are need
Yes.
to plan it. And before
Okay.
15 days or before 1 month, we need to send emails. This particular
Yes.
date and time. This is the downtime. Jenkins server downtime. This server downtime. Just 10 to 15
Yes.
minutes only. Some patches
Okay.
installation. So like that they are sending.
Updations. Yes, yes.
Updations.
Okay. Good, good. Thank you. Thank you.
But this is our local, right? We can do many times, no problem.
Yes, yes. It is when it is a cloud based, then only it will create that problem.
Correct. Hmm. Okay. So now done. Finish. Okay. Now this is the administrator, and so we need to install a plugin also, right? So go to manage Jenkins. Now see here, these are the some of the. It is showing, hey, this is the world warnings only. You don't worry. If you want to update, we can update. Okay. So this is the 2 point new version 2.4, and the current version we are using a 2.3. This is a bit older. Okay.
Okay.
My project we are using 2.1. It is long back we set up. That is no problem. But all options mostly it will work. If you need, this is upgrade automatically, or if you want to download manually and install it also, no problem. This is the same story only. Let me come to here. So manage Jenkins, and so go to here manage Jenkins, and just available tag role, right? Role based authentication status. This is done. Role based, it is done only. Now we can go and check it. Manage Jenkins. Manage Jenkins. Mm, Go to here. Where is this? This is the security. Okay. So now how many users we have? Go to dashboard. Go to manage Jenkins. Go to users. And already I have only one user. Or if you want, can create a many users. Create users. These are the same story only. Now how to enable? So go to here. Go to here. Go to manage Jenkins and go to global here, right? Global security. So here now we can see once we installed, we can see. Once we can see installed, we can see. This is the role-based strategy plugin. Okay. And so now we need to create a few jobs also. Whatever you want, we can create. So new item. I'm going to create so CRM, for example, our sales dev, whatever. Then close dev. I'm following same because here already I created some jobs, right, with the help of CRM. So that is the reason we can follow also same thing. Where is that? Already open. Now see here, next we need to create users. Once you enable and see here, so enable and role based create users. we need to follow same steps. Now, what's the time now? And 54. Anyway, it won't complete today. I have a office call 8 o'clock. I will complete tomorrow. Okay. I will continue next continuous steps, guys, tomorrow. I will send this document. If you have time, anyone we can try it also. Same steps updated here. Just follow same steps. Clear, guys? Hello.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So tomorrow I will finish it. So 8 o'clock I have office call. Okay. So anyway, we can't complete all options. I will complete tomorrow. Anyone any doubt as of now?